No way. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eki. Today we are on another very affordable foundation review. We are still on our day 5. The rest of the video, or you haven't seen any of our review series, I will leave in a card somewhere here towards the end of this video, of course, because I wanted to stay true and watch this to the end. Okay, so without further ado, let's go right into this video. I'll be reviewing the Becgarm Ageless Sweat-Free Foundation. This is how it comes in, and it comes in 8 shades. So I'll be using the shade in 600 Caramel. Let's just open up and see what is here. Comes like this. This thing is to seal the pump. The product will not come out when it's pressed. So I think that's the reason why they have this, and that's beautiful. The packaging is okay. It looks like perfume bottle. So it says is a sweat-free HD smooth complexion, matte, long-wearing, waterproof, easy blend, oil control, SPF 45, full coverage, spotless foundation. So we are getting all this goodness in one foundation, and this is retail for 3,500. I'll be swatching this foundation first before I put it on my skin, so we can see what it looks like on swatch before I wear it on my skin. So this is what it looks like. It's a thick liquid foundation. It doesn't drop. Let me put that again. So this is how it is. It's blending very smoothly on my skin. This is what it looks like on swatch. So before I have the foundation on my skin, I have to prime my skin. I've already moisturized with the Moisture Bomb from Cosmetics. So I'm going to go into their primer. This is the Aqua Grip. I don't know why I'm always trying to pull up this thing instead of twisting the neck like this. So I'm dropping that on the areas where I'll normally produce oil, which is my T-zone, chin, nose area, and then forehead. I'll be taking 3 drops of this one. It's so thick, guys, so I have to do a long press. This foundation is so thick. I told you guys I'm wearing 600 Caramel. I always thought that caramel is for dark chocolate skin. I never knew that I could wear a caramel shade. Guys, this foundation is so thick that coming out from the tube is hard. So I had to take more than 3. So this foundation did not tell us the best way to wear this foundation, whether it's with brush or your powder puff, your beauty sponge. So I'm just going to do what I feel is good and better for me, or what works for me rather. So I'm going to take that right here. Okay, it looks like something that will actually work. I would like to wear it on one side of my face to see how this will work. So I'll blend that in using my beauty sponge. I always like to go into my foundation a little bit. I don't like going in straight with a clean beauty sponge. If not, you'll be separating or even taking off the product. Wow, guys, are you seeing that blend? Are you seeing that blend? And the coverage is mad. This is just one application, guys. Wow. Very affordable products are giving us back to back. Wow. I can't stop saying wow because I never expected it. My gosh. Wow, 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 wow. This is beautiful. I'm just shouting this wow like as if I'm excited. No, no, no. No. No way. No way. Are you seeing that beauty? Okay, so this is the side I have not applied the foundation, and this is the side that I've applied the foundation. Let me bring you a little closer. Blends effortlessly. You don't need so much pouncing of your face to get this done. So normally I'll allow the foundation or a foundation to sit a little on my skin before blending, but because this is a matte foundation, I don't want to struggle with it. That is the reason why I just applied and blend almost immediately. Sorry guys, I realized the light was too much. Even though I'm using natural light to film, I realized it wasn't giving the real reflection of what the foundation is looking like on my skin. So I tried to adjust the light. In case you are hearing droplets of water, it's raining out here. This foundation is mad. It blends well, and it also it's not that matte foundation that will leave your skin dry and flaky. It's this matte foundation that will leave your skin with a glow. I don't know, are you seeing that glow? Intentionally I did not apply any illuminator. I just wanted to go in with the foundation and see how this applies on the skin. So guys, if you see any patches on my forehead, ignore that. That is not coming from the foundation, not at all. Is the edge control I use in protecting my baby hairs that is giving that stuff. This matches my skin tone perfectly. Like, I'm not seeing any demarcation. I love the way the foundation wears on my skin, guys. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're an OG, thank you so much for tuning in again. If you haven't subscribed yet, please share, comment, like, subscribe, and also don't forget to hit that bell notification so you don't miss new videos. This review series is for very affordable products, so if you have recommendation, any products that you want me to review, please leave it down in the comment section. So guys, this is the finished look. Guys, pardon the weather, it's rainy and today is just a rainy day. I happen to be filming on a rainy day. It has been raining since before I started filming, so the weather is really bad right now, but bear with me guys. Okay, so we are going back to the foundation. It says it's a sweat-free HD smooth complexion, matte long wear, waterproof, easy blend, oil control, SPF 45, full coverage, and spotless foundation. Okay, I'll start with matte long wear. So this foundation is actually a matte foundation. I love it because it doesn't leave my skin overly dry. I still feel like my skin even when the foundation is matte. So I would say it's a velvety matte foundation. So it gave me some sort of glow when I applied the foundation, which I love about that. And then long wear, I wouldn't really be able to test this foundation because of the weather. Even if I go out right now, to be honest with you, I won't really get the truth if this foundation would be long lasting. So I think this would have been much proven if the weather was a bit hot. First, easy blend. Yeah, that was very easy to blend. It just went straight into my skin. Like I didn't have anything like patches. I didn't have to blend or go over and over again for me to have that easy or smooth blend. Oil control. Yeah, I feel this foundation will actually control oil. I'm just speculating this because the weather is cool, like I said. Okay, full coverage. Yeah, if you want to have like super full coverage, you need to go the second time to this foundation. I realized when I layer the foundation the first time, I blend. Yeah, it gave that coverage, but if you continue blending, it's as if the beauty sponge is kind of soaking up some of the products whereby revealing some of your skin. So if you want a super coverage with this foundation, you can get that. So it's beautiful. And then spotless foundation. Yeah, if you're working on a budget, go get this foundation. You're not gonna regret it. So guys, that is it for this foundation review. Thank you so much for watching. If you got any value out of this, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, leave a comment below, and also don't forget to subscribe right here and also ring the bell beside it so you don't miss new updates. Thank you so much. Stay tuned, stay blessed, and stay beautiful till I come your way next time. Bye guys.